Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here with Arcan RV Edmonton. Today we're going over the all-new 2026 Impression 360 MYR. This is a really unique floor plan. No one else has done this yet. So I'm really excited to show you what it's all about. But starting here on the outside, we're presented with the very long front nose here, and you're gonna see why once we head inside. But a couple of things I wanna point out. We do have another layer of gel coating on the outside. So it's just gonna help keep your decals and your exterior looking really nice. It has Azdel composite walls, so it's gonna help with water damage. You have a fiberglass molded front cap. One of the things Impression does well and different, they cut their underbelly into 5 different compartments. And they basically slide in, so you don't have to worry about debris or anything getting in there. But when you wanna get under there to do maintenance down the road, especially if you're parking this somewhere, and maybe you can't just bring it to a dealership. No, you're able to actually work on the underbelly yourself if you need to, and you can slide out the compartments. We have large pass-through storage here. On the other side will be your convenience center. Nice and insulated. You have a couple plug-ins there as well. This also comes with 12-volt tank pad heaters on all your tanks too. It's all thermostat controlled too. Over here, we're gonna have our line head tires as well. They have a 1-year, no excuses guarantee. They have a 2-year complimentary roadside assistance, 5-year warranty on the radio tires. You have auto level on here. You also get these 2 beautiful power awnings, and you even get the updated track lighting system as well. So it's not gonna be like your standard LED light strips, and they should last a very, very long time, and they look great. One thing over here to touch on is the tow package on these Impressions. So this is already coming from factory. You get 3,000 pound tow rating on here. So 300 pound hitch, and then 3,000 pound tow rating. So if you wanna tow a boat, a car, so it's pretty incredible. It's a 2-inch receiver. And welcome to 360. So a couple really cool things you'll just see here right away. From your theater seats, it's nice and plush. Your desk, it's got a rear kitchen. Trying to give you as much of a residential feel as possible. Hang around, bring your friends, play a card game pretty comfortably too. This is bolted down as well, so when everything comes in, you don't have to worry about your table flopping over or where to store it. In the rear kitchen here, you're gonna have solid surface countertops. You're gonna have a multi-function sink, If you wanna wash some glasses like you're in a bar, you can keep those nice and clean, wash vegetables. There's different ways you can use this. It even comes with your own dishwasher. Residential size microwave, 3 burner tops stove and oven. Actual wood, real wood for pots and pans, so just a little bit more durability. Nice little spice cabinet. Then of course you're gonna get your 16 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Keeps it nice and cool, it's nice and deep. A couple spots for some wine bottles. Nice little coffee station, or you can put a nice little Margaritaville, to each their own, but there's plenty of space in here. And one of my personal favorites is this area. Why? Not just because it has a TV, it has a couple cool portable speakers or a fireplace, but because massive storage. And if you know me, I love my storage. Plenty of space in there for all of your goods, wares, you name it. You're gonna have 2 AC units, one in the bedroom, one in the kitchen. Both are Furrion. Controlled here from this remote too. You also have on-demand tankless hot water. Here's your tank heaters, and of course all your additional controls. So this is your half bath for any of your guests, or even just doing laundry and stuff like that. We have a stackable washer and dryer. Tons of space here in the linen closet. So if you are planning on parking this somewhere, you're gonna live in it, there's lots of storage in here for you to put all your stuff. Come on into here. Nice cool thing that Impression did is it did the VersaTilt. So you get a full king size bed. And if you just want to lounge here, read a book, You can just touch this versatility function here. You can also control your slide from here as well. Bring the bed forward or not. Lots of drawer space here. Countertop. You do get blackout blinds all in here in your bedroom. Come on here, you have your dual vanity. Looks very nice. And one thing they did too in the master bedroom, just because it is more of a mid-profile, you can see how it kind of dips down. They did try and keep that height as much as possible, so they made more of a 6'3" ceiling. You get a massive shower, upgraded shower head, porcelain toilet, and of course you have this beautiful area here. Especially all you glampers out there, do your makeup, hang all your clothes. Heck, you can even have a space here for an office space if you really want to. Just a really beautiful layout, very unique, very residential feeling. It's been a really big hit, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys here soon.